All right, guys, we got a special one. 1987 Monte Carlo SS Aerocoupe. Very rare car. Only 200 was produced in 86, making it the lowest production model G-body. And a little over 6,000 was produced in 87. It's another G-body you gotta thank NASCAR for. It wouldn't exist without them. You know, guys like Terry Labonte and Dale Earnhardt Sr. both winning Winston Cups and Monte Carlo SS's. You know, Dale Earnhardt Sr. first car was the Wrangler jeans sponsored Monte Carlo. And then he switched to the Good Wrench sponsored Monte Carlo, which was the Aerocoupe. And its success in NASCAR directly led to its success in sales. This one is in overall great shape. What I call nice driver quality condition paint. Nothing is too major. Something you can get in and drive. She has minor surface up by the hinges that can be cleaned up, but no major rot right in that area. As you can see, the doors are in good shape. The interior is in overall good shape. It's what I call nice driver quality condition. She has power windows, power locks, bucket seats, console. Package tray show discoloration. Seats are in decent shape. Dash could use a little opportunity. Deck lid has opportunity. She has the factory RPO code sticker. Try to get in there for y'all guys to check it out. Trunk is in good shape. Engine bay is stock and clean. She has the high output 305, backed by a 4-speed automatic. AC, power brakes, power steering, cruise control. She has all the goodies. Let's start her up. Fire right up. She's running good, guys. All the contact information in the description below. Financing available. Y'all have a good one.